And then it doesn't have the little clamps or the hooks to hold it. So shoestring, ought to do it. Oh. See, that was pretty easy. Let's see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds good. It's a lot quieter. Big difference with that glass back. But inspection told me how to do it, so let's see what they say that I gotta fix on the truck. This is the way I bought it, alright? And muffler and low brake pedal, and then muffler tail. So that's the downpipe and muffler. And then I had to fix my brakes. So that's what I've done. Almost. This is my brakes. Now they work. They got a lot of slack and goes. There's no pressure till right there. So that's like 3 inches I can go until they work. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. I paid $400 for the truck. Upgraded the radio, a little bit of damage in the dash. Fancy door handles, I broke that off yesterday. Something like that. So yeah. That's the new sound we got. So yeah.